Hello, this is Troy York. I'm going to show you how to do a format for your texts on here, or capitalization, and also a format shortcut. From here, we're going to open up the Keynote app because that is what I'm going to be using on for sample code. And right now we have it capitalized up here, remember me, at the top. So once that text is highlighted, you can go up in the top corner to edit. Then you're going to go down to transformations, and then you have three options here. There's make uppercase, lowercase, or capitalize. There's lowercase. And then you can do uppercase or capitalize here as well. And this is the format shortcut here. So from here, we're gonna go over to the top left corner, hit the Apple icon, then we're gonna go down to System Preferences. And from here, we're gonna go to Keyboard. From here, we're gonna go to Shortcuts. And then we're gonna go down to App Shortcuts. Okay, and then go to the plus sign, and in menu title you need to set this up exactly how it says on the menu. So for this one, we're going to do make uppercase, and you need to do, like I said, you need to do it capitalized perfectly, otherwise it won't work. So I'm just going to do shift command up, and you do add. Just do it for all three of these. So I did up for uppercase, I'm going to do down for lowercase, and then I'm going to do to the right for capitalizing all of them. And there you go, you can see all of them on there. And click out, highlight the text here, and then you can see our shortcuts here. They all have the little icons on the side now, before they didn't. And those are our shortcut keys. So now you can try it with all. So re-highlighting here. Then you can do the shift command and up, or sideways, or whatever you want to do. And there you go. And that's how you create a shortcut. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to see next.